Welcome back. This is video 3 in the series. My name is Andrew Cargill, developer of Sawmill Go. You will see in the previous videos a little introduction to the project. Now I'm going to show you the end report that's been generated by the system. So this is live data. We go to the project section. At the moment, this is obviously proof of concept, so the styling will be developed a little further. But there's various states that a project can be in. The creator, this is part of the system where the woodworker creates products from the wood. This we'll go into in a future video. But now I'm in a Sawmill login. I've set up a project. I'm just going to open the details and then generate a report. So what the system does is generates a unique QR code for this project. This is the QR code which will go on the finished item that the customer could then scan simply with a QR code reader, and it would take them through to a finished report. Here on the system, I can obviously view that report. So now it's loading up all the data, and you can see this particular one's called the wooden chair. These images are images that the creator, woodworker, I'll call them for now, how they developed this from the raw wood. In a future video, we'll show you this section. And you can have, for example, description, a date. We also have created by the system. Once we have a creator within the system, and that generates a profile, which has their obviously links and about. We also have the sawmill. This one's called Test Sawmill, as you can see. When I click there, it gives me a nice profile page on the actual sawmill. Its forest plan, description, where it's located in the world, how you can contact, and some images uploaded by the sawmill. This is obviously a basic version of what the report could look like. I put in a section here about why certification is important. Then down the bottom is where we get an interactive view. So the system uses the data from the project and generates this back data, which is passed on to the customer, which is interactive. So we can see here we've got two trees. If I click on a tree, it will tell me who took the tree down and why and what date that was, its position, the image that was taken in the forest. Then within each tree, you've obviously got different planks. For this simple explanation, we have just one plank, but it could have a series of planks from each tree. And now I've just put in some basic data of when the tree was felled, when it was logged, how long was the log, the diameter. These are all really useful information that can go on to prove its authenticity. Here can be images, and then we've got drying data, as I mentioned. So you've got drying data and dates within these. This works for obviously mobile and laptop, so it's all designed to be completely interchangeable with different viewports. The nice interactive report that's generated from the system, which means that we can charge a little bit more to the end customer because it's authentic, it's a one-off piece of work, it's come from a great sustainable place, it's all transparent. We know about the sawmill, we know about the creator, we know who took the tree down, why they took it down. We know every person involved in the process in getting the tree to the creator to the finished product. In the next video, I'll go into a little overview of what the system looks like when you're logged in.